Me and this Freetress are gonna kill it today when I go out. Hey, sorry, stop. Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel for yet another wig review. If you are new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are a returning doll, thank you so much for hanging out with me every single week. For both new and returning subscribers, do not forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's dive right on into this review. That's me. This is a place for you to be, for you to see this blaze and them thick thighs. Whoa. Got all the guys with tears in their eyes. When I walk in, I command the room, demand the room. Niggas say, hold up. No need for a groom. Pay attention, take notice. I kill the stage, straight slay a stage. Yeah. Back again, just to pay my homage. Drop a note, hit like, subscribe. Alright. And don't forget that red box, you can click it, no ticket. Okay, today's review is coming from Freetress Equal, the luxury integration, okay? This unit is a 5-inch lace part. It is in the style Valentino, and I got the color in a 1B. This unit comes in colors FF Gold Brown, FF Hot Choco, which are these two colors here. It also comes in the FF Cream, which is on the front of the stock card. 1B, which is the color I got. I got a color 1B, of course. A 2, a 4, a PB, like peanut butter and jelly. 27, a PB, PB 30, PB 350, PB 530. Okay. It is curling iron safe up to, up to 400 degrees. And I can't remember if I said it's a 5-inch lace part. It is flat and laid hand-tied lace parting, okay? Oh, so the PB, the peanut butter and jelly, stands for peekaboo. And the FF, which is, like I said, this golden brown color, the FF stands for face framing. Okay, Freetress, I like that. Thank you for telling us that. So, the lace has already been cut on this unit. And like I said, I got the color 1B. And it's got these pretty loose kind of curls. The hair is really soft. There's no shedding. There's no tangling. Zero. It is synthetic. Okay. This is the lace parting space. It is a middle part. It has 3 combs. So there's one just on each side of the lace part. There's one in the back. And then it has these adjustable straps. Oh, I keep forgetting. And the cap construction is super stretchy, which is, big head girl friendly. So we're going to pop this baby on. And it already fits like a glove. I can't say for sure if I'm really feeling this at all, but that is my personal preference because As I have said in every single video, me and middle parts do not get along. It just makes my face feel, not feel, look super fat. And I don't like that. But that's my personal preference, you know. And on occasion, I will buy a middle part wig and do what I'm about to do in a minute. So as you can see, like I said, this is the middle part. And you know what I love about this? This lace is so, can you see that? This lace is so dark. You can't, I personally cannot see the line of demarcation. I don't know if you can see it here, but I have a, you saw the wig cap I had on my head, but I cannot see the line of demarcation on here. But since this is a middle part, I'm going to figure it out. There is, like I said, zero shedding. There's no tangling at all. The hair feels super light. I love these curls. Like even combing my hair through these curls, it makes it even fuller. I don't remember the length, but I want to say it's probably about an 18 because I am 5'4" and it comes to about the top of my breast. In the back, it comes to the middle of my back. And then in the back, you can shake it. I don't think you can see the wig cap at all. You know, if the wind blows or anything. It's not super shiny. It doesn't have that wiggy feel to it. But what your girl is going to do, take her trusty foundation. And start filling in my little part here. I can't see no more. I can't see no more. And go all the way back. Now I do have a part here. And so I add just a little bit more foundation to my own hairline to make it kind of match. So that doesn't look as bad as it did. But like I told you guys, I am not a big fan of middle parts. So what I'm going to do is unhook this back comb. I'm going to twist it. Ooh, that don't feel right. I'm going to do the other side. Push this back a little bit more to where my part is. And then I'm just going to line it up. It's a little trick I had to teach myself. And already I feel 100% better with this unit because your girl don't like middle parts. So if you like me and you don't like middle parts for whatever reason, do what I did. It does not feel unnatural. It does not feel uncomfortable. It is big head friendly. It still fits like a glove. My head is not being squoze. My ears are not being chopped into. You know how some wigs are. If it's a middle part and you try to change up the part, it cuts into your ear. This wig don't do that. This is where this is, part of the wig here. And I just put that behind my ear and I can't even feel it there. And then on the other side here, of course, it comes all the way up here. But it's all good because guess what? Me and this Freetress are going to kill it today when I go out. Hey, sorry, stop. So, yes, this unit, like I said, is not super shiny. It may look super shiny on camera, but it is really not. It has the perfect luster to it. There is still no shedding. The curls seem to bounce right back into it. No matter what I do, this unit ain't going nowhere. All you got to do is maybe cut some, because it's the lace. It wasn't ear to ear lace. So the only thing I would do, push this back a little bit more so my natural hairline is kind of peeking through. Excuse my edges because they're not all together today. And then, do some little swoops of your own and you'll be good. You can even put it behind your ear a little bit because that's what I like to do sometimes. But yeah, I like this unit. It is super nice. It's not super heavy. It's the perfect density. It's not super thick. It feels nice. I don't have anything bad to say about this unit except that it's a middle part. But, that's what I purchased. So, and I think I said earlier, I purchase middle parts sometimes just to see if it'll be cute, because sometimes I can get a middle part wig and it be fire and I rock it as a middle part. That is very rare. But in this case, I'm just not feeling that middle part. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It really doesn't. It's just maybe if I lost about 60 more pounds, I'd be all right. But, that's my own personal preference. As far as wig cap construction, the feel of the wig, the weight of the wig. Sorry, I thought I heard my phone. The construction of the wig cap. The construction of the wig cap, my phone is doing something crazy. The construction of the wig cap, the length of it, the feel of it, there's no tangling, there's no shedding. I have absolutely zero bad things to say about this unit. So whatever you do, if you like middle parts, you like a little, natural kind of blown out look with a little bit of curl, and you don't want it to be too wiggy, this will be the unit for you. So that is all I have for you guys this week. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. And if you really like this unit, do not forget to leave me a comment and go ahead and purchase this unit for yourself. Until next time, I will see you guys in another video.